Hi, I'm Jeff Anderson, Executive Chef and Director of Innovation. I'm here to share two great recipes today with you that feature our open nature pork. Our open nature pork is extremely affordable. The quality is impeccable and you'll find it available exclusively at your favorite local store. What I like about our open nature pork when grilling is I've got two options to choose from. I can choose from pork chops or I can choose from tenderloins. So I'm going to make two recipes for you. The first is a pepper stuffed pork chop, and then I'm going to make a grilled pork tenderloin with a Greek lemon vinaigrette. To make the stuffed pork chop, the first thing we're going to do is make a little incision here and make a pocket for stuffing. I've got a little bit of shredded pepper jack cheese, some minced jalapenos, and a little roasted red pepper. We're just going to kind of stuff this into this pocket like so. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to make the medallions for the pork tenderloin. Now typically when you buy a pork tenderloin, you get this whole piece. To cut medallions, all you need to do is cut nice, uniform, easy pieces like so. And what you realize is by doing this, you've got something that will grill extremely quick and easy, and that's the whole point of this recipe. In advance of this, what I've done is I've prepared the grill, I've preheated it, and you hear that start to sizzle. I brushed it with a little bit of non-stick oil, and I made sure that it was nice and clean. Now these are on a nice high heat fire. They're gonna take about 4 minutes per side. So now our pork is ready to turn. And now we can make the vinaigrette. So the vinaigrette for the pork tenderloin is super simple. It's a little bit of lemon juice. It's gonna be a pinch of salt, a little bit of black pepper. You can use a little tiny bit of minced garlic if you like, parsley, a little tiny bit of dried oregano, and then I always like to give a little bit more lemon juice to make sure it's nice and flavorful, and then olive oil. Give this a good shake like so, and you can prepare this in advance. It's kind of hard to go wrong. Give our pork a check. It's fully ready to go, and that's ready to go. So looking really good. To plate this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the pork chop on. I used a little roasted pepper as a garnish. Last thing we'll do is give this a little drizzle of some olive oil to kind of make that plate all nice and beautiful. And then to plate the tenderloin, put this on like so, and then just give it a little tiny bit of dressing over the top like so. And there you got a delicious grilled pork tenderloin with a Greek lemon vinaigrette. As I mentioned, both of these feature our open nature pork. You'll find them exclusively available at your favorite local store. Give these recipes a try, as well as our other open nature product. Have a great day grilling. I'm Chef Jeff.